What's up guys, you're watching Sid Technologies, and if you're new on my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And today we are going to talk about the PlayStation 5 new feature. After a new update, you get a welcome hub on your PlayStation 5, and in your welcome hub you can just change your background of your PlayStation 5 system. And here we go to the screen. I'm just going to show you. Here we are at the screen, and here we have the welcome hub, and here is the welcome hub widgets. And go to the edit, and here we are. Here is the change background. Tap on the change background, and here you have your backgrounds from PlayStation. These backgrounds from PlayStation, you can set it from games. You can take a screenshot and set it. You can download it from the internet, and look at that. You can change it, the backgrounds. So one by one, these are from PlayStation 5, and here is the second option from games, and the third option from media gallery. Here's the from games. From games, here you can set it. This is a 3D animated, and the secondly from gallery, you can set it from gallery also. So that's how that simply you can change a background on your PlayStation 5. After a new update on your PlayStation 5, you get a welcome hub and something like that. And so that's how you do it. And if you are new on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and a like. See you for the next one.